Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to introduce you to an awesome game that has changed my mind about card games forever. And this game is absolutely free to play. For this, you will need to have a Steam account. So if you don't have one already, then you will need to head over to store.steampower.com in order to proceed with signing up to create your account. After using your email address, your country of residence, and setting up your password, your Steam account will be ready. You can now install the Steam application from the Install Steam button, and once the installer is downloaded, just open it up and click through the next buttons to install the Steam application. Once it is installed, you can open it up and log in using your email address and your password, and now from the store page, just click on the search box and type in Marvel Snap and start your search. Once you find the Marvel Snap game, just click on it and you can now watch the trailer, and as you can see, it has very good reviews. Scroll down and you will find the Add to Library button. You can't see it here because I have already clicked on it and installed the game as well. After you add it to your library, you can click on the library button and you will see the install button, which you can click on to begin the download and installation of this game. Once you find the play button, you can now start enjoying the Marvel Snap game on your PC right away. And the best thing about this game is that you can also play this game on your phone, meaning that you don't need a PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Marvel Snap game on your PC for free. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.